town of temples, existing on the timeless sands for more than 1400 years. A prayer on rocks, an ode to architecture and belief. Mahabalipuram is an epitome of architectural excellence, carving of stories of kings and glory, a celebration of the past of time and tide, unleashing an unsolved mystery which lasted for more than 11 centuries. The incredible Mahabalipuram, poetry of temples.
Mahabalipuram is a historic city and UNESCO World Heritage Site in Tamil Nadu, India. The place is named after King Bali and the grandson of Prahlada, who was eventually saved by Narasimha, another incarnation of Lord Vishnu. During the reign of Pallava dynasty between the 3rd century and 7th century AD, it became an important center of art, architecture and literature. Mahabalipuram is still a place where you can find many stone carvers. Among the accomplishments of the Pallava architecture are the rock-cut cave temples at Mahabalipuram. They are located on the rocky hill lying about 400 meters from the Coromandel coast overlooking the Bay of Bengal. On the rock hill, more than 10 cave temples were excavated. They are cut and decorated with panels in the Mamalla style, which are the best representative of the art of the Pallava dynasty. They have several striking mythological scenes carved in relief. The Krishna cave temple is dated to mid-7th century. A notable carving inside the cave brings out the myth of Krishna lifting the Govardhan hill to protect the cow herds and gopis from heavy rains and floods. Remnants seen in the caves also indicate that they were plastered and painted when built. In these caves, the carvings of the faces and the human figures are oval shaped. Their hair, dresses and crowns are simple and they show no jewelry. The monuments are mostly rock cut and monolithic and constitute the early stages of Dravidian architecture, wherein Buddhist elements of design are prominently visible. The most famous sculpture in relief in Mahabalipuram is a colossal carving on the rock with a central long crack more than 10 meters high and 32 meters long. One interpretation is to see it at the episode of Arjuna's penance from the Mahabharata. Another interpretation suggests it is the Ganga's descent of the Hindu mythology. Enchanting Mahabalipuram beach is located on the east coast of India. The beach is recognized as the pristine beaches of Tamil Nadu, which attracts thousands of tourists every year. Mahabalipuram beach is sewed up by the Bay of Bengal along with a dreamy rock-cut sculpture staggering to the eyes. This beach also offers visitors a rare combination of historic significance and natural splendor. With this beautiful location between the beach and a lagoon, this beach paradise is a pleasant combination of ideal beaches, history and peaceful tourism. Shore Temple is a standing testimonial to the regal heritage of ancient India. Built in the 7th century, Shore Temple depicts the royal taste of Pallava dynasty. The entire compound wall surrounding the temples with sculptures of Nandi or Mount of Shiva. During the reign of Rajashima, the temple saw its construction when Pallava art was at its peak. Shore Temple comprises 3 shrines, when the prominent ones are dedicated to Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu. The most distinctive feature of the temple is the Somashkanda panel, which are enshrined in the interior walls of the sanctum of the east-facing temple. A bas relief, which is a family image of Shiva and Parvati with their child Kartikeya, is located in a small shrine in the temple. This is where Kartikeya is shown as an adorable child in the loving presence of his parents. This is also called Somashkanda panel. As per an early 11th century inscription of the Chola king Raja Raja I, the temple complex was under worship and known as Jalasayana. The entrance doorway and the outer walls of this shrine has a lot of carvings. These panels depict various stories from Indian mythology. On the southern side, there is a large monolithic lion termed as Mahishasuramardine's lion. According to legend, ancient sailors at sea could spot the shikharas of the temples from long distance and use those majestic towers to mark their arrival to the prosperous port city of Mahabalipuram. So friends, hope you all have loved this video. Please do like, share and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and then press the bell icon.